Well, if you're new into woodworking or if you're just not comfortable working on tools, you really should overcome that because you can get a lot of life out of your tools by learning how to do basic repairs. For example, I had this DeWalt jigsaw, and the variable speed adjuster went out on it. It was a real pain. I started using tape on it, etc., but it became real flaky. So I bought a new one, but I didn't throw away the old one. And I ordered a switch. I think it was no more than about 15 or 20 bucks. And you can see all it took was I peeled off the stickers that covered the that basically go across the two halves of the clamshell of the case. Using a T15 Torx wrench, I removed the screws. And you want to obviously be careful doing this. Just do it slowly.
Once you get it out,
one tip is maybe use a magnet, so as you take each screw off, you stick them to the magnet so they don't get lost.
Gently.
And then to separate the case, you can use like a basic pry bar. It comes across pretty simply though once you remove the stickers. And once the case is open, you see it's a very simple design. And there's the switch itself.
Right here on the top.
To remove it,
you push down
you just squeeze the little tab down and just separate the wire from the switch.
You put your new one
and just snap on your new switch just like that. Make sure you don't crimp the wires. You don't want to squeeze them together and pinch them when you put together the clamshell. Put it there. Make sure that the knob rotates freely.
And just slide it in.
And then just reassemble. It's really, really simple. And you know what? This is great to have a backup tool. I can use this one in my shop, or in my case, I'm going to keep one as a basic jigsaw that I can,
don't need to
cut
do it
boards
too tight.
down like a traditional jigsaw. And then the other one I'm going to use with a Collins foot and use that for cope and crown molding.